Hey guys, how's it going? Today I bring you this 1999 Chevrolet Malibu LS, and this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Malibu. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over some of the performance data, show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. It definitely isn't in the best shape cosmetically at all, but I've had some requests to do some Malibus, and since I like to do older, rougher cars every now and then, I thought I'd kill a couple birds with one stone. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. Has tan leather interior. As you can see, definitely a bit rough. It's got 120,980 miles. Alrighty, fires up pretty good. It's a leather wrapped steering wheel, a bit worn on the top. It's got a little bit of a whine to it too. I don't know what that could be. And we're going to count the headlights, fog lights, automatic driver's side window. And we'll check out the exterior. Headlights a bit loose. Clear cut's kind of failing in areas, most notably on the hood. It's a full power sunroof. A bit of water collecting in this taillight. And I'm going to pop the hood. Got a 3100 V6. Two-tone paneling on the door. Power windows, mirrors, and locks. Power sliding, tilting driver's seat with manual recline. Tilt steering wheel. This is a cup holder. It's supposed to slide out and in. And let's see how this thing sounds. Can't figure out what that noise is coming from the engine. Easy to use climate control. Recycling, AC, different zones. Cassette player. Cruise control on the steering wheel. Check engine light was on in this, but it's disappeared to appear once again, I guess. Alrighty. It's gonna shut it down. Check out the rest of the vehicle. Back seats are definitely lacking in some comfort. Seat bottoms are very hard. Pretty decent sized trunk. Malibus have greatly improved over the years, that's for sure. It's a full manual passenger seat. Carpet's practically ruined in this thing. It does have faux wood trim in it. Don't know if anybody saw that earlier. There goes the engine light. this thing back. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour on the 1999 Chevrolet Malibu. Sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care, everybody.